Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make marshmallows out of paper. First, gather your materials: white paper, scissors, a ruler, and glue or double-sided tape. Having a scoring tool or a dull knife is also helpful for precise folds. This easy method requires minimal supplies and is perfect for a quick, fun craft project. We'll start by preparing our paper for the marshmallow shape. Now, let's prepare our paper. Take your white paper and cut it into perfect 2-inch by 2-inch squares. Precision is key for a neat marshmallow look. Next, score each square 1/4 of an inch from all 4 edges. This creates a guide for folding. Carefully fold along these scored lines, forming a small, raised border around the square. This border will give our paper marshmallow its distinct shape. With your squares prepared, it's time to assemble. Apply a thin line of glue or use double-sided tape along one of the folded edges. Carefully attach an adjacent edge, pressing firmly to create a crisp corner. Repeat this process, gluing and attaching the remaining edges until you form a perfect cube. This cube will be the base of your paper marshmallow. Ensure all seams are secure for a sturdy finish. To give your paper marshmallow a more realistic appearance, gently round the edges of your paper cube. You can achieve this by lightly pressing and shaping them with your fingers. For an extra touch, consider adding a light dusting of powdered sugar using white chalk or a very light gray pastel. This simple detail truly enhances the illusion. Remember to check the description for a link to *The Simple Path to Wealth* and other great deals. This book offers fantastic insights into managing your finances effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.